You're watching Bangalore at 9. I'm Siddharth Mahan.
And I'm Kartik Sharma, bringing you the top stories of the day.
BJP blames the central government for the current economic condition, but
designers do not feel they're getting their due. JDS stages a protest outside the KIDB and demand a complete disclosure of the land dealings of the NICE project.
Before the top stories, we have a news update. The much anticipated BBMP elections have been postponed indefinitely. The delay is due to the flaws in vote reservation.
But Congress blames BJP of influencing Supreme Court to delay the elections. Kartik Sharma caught up with Congress leader.
The BJP government is not at all serious about holding the local body elections, especially BBMP election. That is why it has intentionally made some mistakes in carving out the constituencies, delimitations, and in deciding the reservations. That is why the court has intervened today, Supreme Court, and the elections have been deferred for the time being. So BJP can't claim any credit for holding the local body elections. BJP is not interested in or committed to the decentralization of the power at the first outset. The BJP government is...
BJP says that by electing the president from backward class community, they will get the support of backward classes, people in the coming BBMP elections. Kartik Sharma and Gurpreet Kaur bring us more.
Bharatiya Janata Party elected K.S. Ishwarappa as the state unit president.
I duly declare him as the new president of the Karnataka state BJP.
This election we are going to win minimum 150 seats. Is having that capacity. Definitely we are going to build up the party.
BJP says that by electing the president from backward class community, they will get the support of backward class people in BBMP elections.
He's a backward man. After becoming Ishwarappa become the president of BJP, naturally a backward section of people will support.
But Congress says that BJP is desperate to get backward class people's vote. But this step of them will not affect Congress at all.
Our electing Mr. Siddaramaiah as the leader of opposition has been taken seriously by the BJP. So they need a person who is in the ministry to resign and take over the responsibility of the organization. Incidentally belonging to a backward community will not make any difference to Congress party.
With Gurpreet Kaur, this is Kartik Sharma reporting for IRJNM. Bharatiya Janata.
BJP plans protests in Karnataka the following week. BJP blames the UPA government for the current economic condition of the country. Kartik Sharma and Gurpreet Kaur bring us the details.
Today, K.S. Ishwarappa has taken the charge of the new BJP state president. On this occasion, All India BJP Secretary Vijay Goyal blamed Central for the economic condition of the country.
The country is seeing the spectre of food prices that are on an 11-year high. This all is happening under the leadership of a noted economist.
He even announced the protest against the price rise in the state.
The BJP will organize dharnas, demonstrations, mashal jalus and other activities against the UPA government. Karnataka also, education will start from the next week.
On the other hand, Congress denies to all these allegations.
Phenomena they can't simply blame on the union government. So if they start an agitation, we will also try to enlighten the public regarding who is responsible for the present price situation.
This is Gurpreet Kaur.
JDS chief H.D. Devegowda staged a protest in front of the Karnataka Industrial Development Board office with the farmers who have lost their land to the NICE corridor project. Kalyani Prasad Keshri reports.
The NICE road issue takes yet another turn today as farmers stand in protest with former Chief Minister Devegowda against the BJP government. In this dharna, they will present a framework agreement or a memorandum to the MD of KIDAB, wherein they are asking the KIDAB to give a written statement about the disclosing of the survey numbers of the farmers whose land has been taken away regarding the NICE project. They even want a written statement about the total money spent for the NICE project during the session of different CMs. The Farmers are dissatisfied and were present in the protest to claim back their right to land.
Opposition amount ನಮಗೆ 2003ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಡಿಬಿನವರು ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡದೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಡಿಬಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಲಂಚಗುಳಿತನ, ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಲಂಚಗುಳಿತನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಚಿವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ನೈಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕೇಣಿಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ರೈತ ವಿರೋಧಿಯಾಗಿ ರೈತರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಬೆದರಿಸಿ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ರೈತರನ್ನ ದಮನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತು
Whether it's about the memorandum or the problems of the farmers, or may it be the JDS leader, everything related to the NICE project is in a confusion. This is Kiran reporting for IIN.
The NICE. Time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be back shortly.
मुझसे है नीर गगन, मुझसे है अग्नि पवन, जीवन की मैं आकृति हूँ, मैं प्रकृति हूँ। अंधेरा होने से पहले जगना और जगाना होगा, जीवन को अगर जिंदा रखना है तो मुझे बचाना होगा, बचाना होगा।